So basically what we are going to do, we are going to perform an activity to show that particles of matter have space between them. So we are going to take a glass and we'll put some water into it. Okay, and you can see this water is clear, yes, transparent, solution is there. Now we are going to put 1 spoon of sugar into it. This is sugar, yes, white sugar we have taken, and now we are going to put sugar into this water. Okay, you can see sugar is going in the water. Now we are going to stir it. Now as we are stirring it, what we are observing, the sugar is dissolving in the water. Sugar is basically dissolving into this water, and after certain stirring, what will happen? You are seeing that sugar is disappearing. Is it? Let's stir it some more. So as we can clearly see, almost 99% of sugar is disappeared. Now if you see, only few particles are visible, only 2, 3. Now even that are not visible. So this solution becomes transparent again. This solution is transparent as it was earlier. So from here what we can conclude? That sugar is disappearing. Is sugar disappearing? No, sugar is not disappearing. What is happening here? Sugar is occupying the space which is in between the water molecules, or we can say particles of water. Water is a matter, and particles of water have space between them, and those space, this sugar is settling down. So from this activity we can say that particles of matter have space between them.